Quadratic Equations, Exercise Point 2, Level 1 and Level 2, Question 1 to 6, Solutions. 1. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Form the quadratic equation to find the integers if x denotes the smaller integer. Read the question carefully and understand the situation and formulate the quadratic equation. That is, we have to represent the given situation in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Solution. Here given x is the smaller integer. Therefore, the two consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 1. If it is not given in the question, x denotes the smaller integer, then we have to write as let the two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. Then proceed. According to the question, their product is 306. That is x into x plus 1 is equal to 306, or x into x square, x into 1x is equal to 306. That implies x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. 2. John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 128. Form the quadratic equation to find how many marbles they had to start with if John had x marbles. Solution. Given John had x marbles, the total number of marbles were 45. When we subtract the number of John's marbles from the total number of marbles, we will get the number of marbles Jeevanti had. Therefore, Jeevanti had 45 minus x marbles. Both lost 5 marbles. Therefore, the number of marbles with John, x minus 5. The number of marbles with Jeevanti, 45 minus x minus 5. That is 40 minus x. According to the question, after losing 5 marbles, their product is 128. That is x minus 5 into 40 minus x is equal to 128. Multiply x into 40, 40x, x into minus x square, minus 5, 40 minus 200, minus into minus plus 5x, minus 128 is equal to 0, or minus x square, 40x plus 5x, 45x, minus 200 minus 128 minus 328 is equal to 0, or x square minus 45x plus 328 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. 3. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of articles produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. If x denotes the number of toys produced that day, form the quadratic equation to find x. Solution. Given x is the number of toys produced that day and cost of production is 55 minus the number of toys produced that day. Therefore, the cost of production in rupees of each toy that day is 55 minus x. The total cost of production is the number of toys produced into cost of production. That is, the total cost of production in rupees that day is x into 55 minus x. Given that total cost of production is rupees 750, that is x into 55 minus x is equal to 750, or 55x minus x into x square is equal to 750, or minus x square plus 55x minus 750 is equal to 0. Multiplying through by minus, then x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation to find the number of toys produced that day. 4. The height of a right triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, form the quadratic equation to find the base of the triangle. Solution. Let the base of the right triangle be x centimeter. Given in question, height of the right triangle is 7 cm less than the base. Therefore, the height of the right triangle is x minus 7 cm. Given hypotenuse is 13 cm. We know that Pythagoras theorem, base square x square plus height square x minus 7 whole square is equal to hypotenuse square, or x square plus apply here a minus b whole square formula, x square minus 14x plus 49 is equal to 13 square 169, x square plus x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0, or 2x square minus 14x, 49 minus 169 is minus 120 is equal to 0. Multiplying through by 2, then x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation to find base of the right triangle. 5. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour, more than that of the passenger train, form the quadratic equation to find the average speed of express train. Solution. Let the average speed of the express train be x km per hour. Per hour means we require time. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Then time taken by the express train to travel 132 km is 132 by x hour. According to the question, express train has taken speed 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. Therefore, the average speed of the passenger train is equal to the average speed of the express train minus 11 km per hour. That is, the average speed of the passenger train is equal to x minus 11 km per hour. Therefore, the time taken by the passenger train is equal to 132 by x minus 11 hour. Then the express train has taken 1 hour less than the passenger train. That is, time taken by the express train, that is 132 by x is equal to time taken by the passenger train 132 by x minus 11 minus 1. 1 hour less than means minus 1, or 132 by x minus 11 minus 132 by x is equal to 1. Take here 132 common outside, remaining 1 by x minus 11 minus 1 by x is equal to 1, or 132 here LCM x minus 1 into x minus of x minus 11 is equal to 1. X minus x get cancelled, minus into minus plus 11, 132 into 11 1452 by x into x minus 11 is equal to 1. Cross multiply, x into x minus 11 is equal to 1452 is equal to x into x square minus 11 into x 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation to find the average speed of the express train. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Form the quadratic equation to find the speed of the train. Solution. Let the speed of the train be x km per hour. Per hour means we require time. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. Then time taken by the train to travel 360 km is 360 by x hour. This is the original time taken. Given that if the speed had been 5 km per hour more, that means we have to add 5 km per hour to original speed x. Then x plus 5 km per hour is the new speed. Time taken by the train with the speed x plus 5 km per hour is 360 by x plus 5 hour. Here x changed to x plus 5. Now the train would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. That means new time is equal to original time minus 1. 1 hour less means minus 1. Simplify. 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Or take 360 common outside, remaining 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. 360. Here LCM x into x plus 5. X plus 5 minus x is equal to 1. X get cancelled. 360 into 5, 1800 by x into x plus 5 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. X into x plus 5 is equal to 1800, or x into x square plus x into 5 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation to find the speed of the train.